Hi, have you paid GST to the supplier? You've also received the goods from supplier. You've also used the goods in your business. And still, the GST department says your ITC is denied. Why? Because the supplier's GSTN was cancelled retrospectively? Well, it was not cancelled when you made the purchase. It was cancelled much later. So tell me, should you suffer for someone else's default? As a part of the Gyanshorts initiative of Chamber of Tax Consultant celebrating its 100 years of contribution tax professional, I am CS Sumit Jhunjhunwala, bringing you one of the biggest practical challenges businesses are facing under GST today: denial of ITC due to supplier's GSTIN cancellation. Across India, ITC is being denied even on genuine purchases. Purchases where there is a valid tax invoice, where goods and services are actually received, where payment was made and GST was also paid to the supplier. Yet, notices are being issued and ITC is being questioned. The department's argument is simple. They say, if the supplier's GST registration is cancelled retrospectively, then legally, the supplier is treated as never having been registered under GST or never having paid GST to the government. And if the supplier was never registered or tax is not paid, ITC cannot survive. But the real question is this logic correct? And is this logic legally correct? Well, friends, recent High Court judgments from various states, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras High Courts, have brought much needed clarity on this issue. And the courts are sending a very clear message. Retrospective cancellation of a supplier's GSTN cannot lead to automatically denial of ITC to a bona fide buyer. If the buyer has acted in good faith, if the buyer has verified GSTN at the time of transaction, if the goods or services were actually received, and if payment including GST were made through proper banking channels, then the buyer cannot be punished for the supplier's later non-compliance. The courts have clearly stated, if there is any default, the department must proceed first against the defaulting supplier and not against the genuine recipient. So, what does this mean for you as a business owner, as a taxpayer, or a professional? It means ITC cannot be denied mechanically. Retrospective cancellation alone is not sufficient to deny ITC. However, one thing is very important: documentation. Your documentation is your strongest defense. Always ensure you have proof that the supplier's GSTN was active at the time of purchase. You should have proof of receipt of goods or services, clear payment trail through banking channels, and supporting documents like e-way bills, delivery proofs, consignment notes, etc. GST law is evolving and recent judgments are bringing balance back into the system. So if you have also received a notice denying ITC due to retrospective cancellation, don't panic. Read the judgments, respond strategically, and never ever accept an incorrect denial of ITC silently.